Welcome to ForexToolShop, the #1 Forex robot reviews and ratings site on the internet.
Pip Android is an expert advisor that's being released February 9th. The team at Pip Android was kind enough to give us a copy of their system to review. We've been reviewing their system for about a week and a half and have come to the conclusion that it is a very thorough expert advisor that has a lot to offer the Forex trading community. As you can see on our website here, we've been running the system since January 27th and it has already produced a 2.5% return. If you scroll down, you can see a list of all the trades that this expert advisor has made on the Euro Franc and Australian dollar pair. It's produced a $24 return on a $1,000 account for, like I said, a 2.43% return. Now when we conduct a back test of this system, you can see here we have the balance graph returned about 50%, and this is a 2009 back test of the system, so 50% in 12 months. Again, very thorough. If you were to apply this to a larger account, you could see returns into the thousands of dollars range. So when we conducted this back test, we downloaded the expert advisor into the platform. We came to our settings. This back test is of the Euro Franc, so we selected Pip Android, Euro Franc, every tick, and for the year 2009, 4-hour period. And when we clicked expert properties, we simply input our order number in the designated area, and we started the back test. So like I expressed before, here is the balance graph. That's a very attractive curve going up in a pretty low drawdown here. Something interesting, when we open the chart of the Pip Android, we can look at the exact trades it executed on a chart here. You'll notice that ADX is automatically applied onto the chart, simply meaning that this indicator is used in the calculations for the Pip Android. When you really narrow down and look at some of the trades, though, you can see it's not used, I guess traditional would be the wrong word, but it's not a normal ADX crossing, which is what some strategies use when they use the ADX. If we go out to March and April, we can see that a lot of the trades are based off of support and resistance ranges, which usually complete sound expert advisors. A lot of very successful expert advisors use support and resist trading in their analysis. So you can see up here some definite resistance here. They sell into it. Turns out to be a good trade. So that's one thing that we see in the system that helps complete it. When we look at the report of the Pip Android, you can see obviously here we have our 90% modeling quality, 0 mismatched chart errors. A big number here is the profit factor, well over 1.0 range, up to 1.77, and also the percentage of profitable trades. Profit trades percent of total, 67% of the trades were profitable trades. It's a very high number, one of the highest we've seen for an expert advisor. A great number that really suits this system. And certainly another aspect of this thing is the journal, actually. In the journal we have, astonishingly, not one single error in the entire journal, which is something that a lot of expert advisors will have at least some sort of minor error that doesn't affect the trading whole. The team at Pip Android has programmed a system that does not output a single error, which is not something you see in a lot of systems. So the fact that the Pip Android team voluntarily gave us this system a week and a half before its release, which speaks a lot of confidence they have in their system and its trading ability, on top of the fact it has a very good back test and has been trading well on our live tests, and there's not a single error in a 2009 back test, speaks volumes about this system, and we're very excited to see it release on the market in 2 days, and hope you guys are excited about it as we are.